In this video, we will show you how to replace your battery on this Ford Fusion with a 2-liter engine. This will be located along the driver's side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Along the front of the battery, you're going to find the mounting hardware. To remove this, we're going to remove the 8mm headed bolt, and then we can remove the mounting bracket. A quick inspection will set both of those aside. Now we can take hold of the battery. We're going to carefully start sliding it forward so we can gain access to our negative battery terminal. To remove the negative battery terminal from the battery, you're going to find that you have a 10mm nut right along the backside here. We'll just go ahead and remove that. We'll give the terminal end a wiggle and lift it away from the battery. A quick inspection of that, confirming it's not damaged in any way. Now let's move over to the positive terminal. This should be protected. You can lift that cover out of position. You will be reusing that. In this area, you're going to find a 10mm mounting nut. We can loosen that. Just as before, close inspection, we'll set that terminal end aside. Now we can take hold of the battery and lift it up and out of position. There it is, friend. Before we install, let's clean the 2 terminal ends. For this, you just want to use a brush, make your way inside, remove any corrosion. Repeat the process for the other one. It's time to install the battery. Before you do, it's always a good idea to make sure that you clean each one of the terminal ends. We want to have good contact. Just using a battery brush for this. After cleaning those, we can get this in place. Before we slide it all the way in, let's continue on with our 2 battery terminals, starting with the positive. We'll slide this directly down onto the battery terminal. Tighten your 10mm mounting nut. Double check, make sure that's tight. You do not want a loose connection from either of your battery terminals. Let's protect the area. Make your way over to the negative battery terminal. Slide it into place and tighten the mounting nut. Now let's carefully slide the battery rearward until it can't go any further, and then continue on with the mounting hardware. Just going to get this in place, align the mounting bolt port, install the mounting bolt. Make sure you start that in by hand so you do not cross-thread it into the wrong positioning. We'll press that up against the battery and snug it up. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The last thing we want to do is just double check to make sure it's completely secured in place. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.